All right, so here's a problem by request. Now this problem deals with the product rule and the chain rule. What I would do is rewrite it first before I start taking the derivative and write this square root to the power of 1/2. Remember, that means the same thing. Square root next to the 1/2 is the same thing. Okay. So now taking the derivative of this, I would leave the 1/2 to the outside. I wouldn't deal with that. It's just a constant. I wouldn't mess with that yet. But we're going to have to use the product rule first. So product rule, take the derivative of v times u, and then derivative of u times v. Add those together. That'll be that for you. So let's label what we're calling u, which is x squared, and then v, will be this other piece right here. All right, then take the derivative of u, which is just 2x. All right, and now here I have the chain rule that I'm going to have to use, where you have to take the derivative of an outside application and the derivative of the inside. All right, so you're talking about the outside, which is that 1/2. I'll bring the 1/2 down. Leave the inside intact. And then 1/2 minus 1. Subtract that exponent. Subtract 1 from the exponent. Then I'm going to multiply it by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of the inside is just going to be negative 2x. All right. And so we can simplify this expression. I'm just going to write down all the steps. So it's negative 1/2. Now that negative 1/2 for an exponent takes it down to your denominator in order to make it positive. All right. These twos cancel. That gives me 1 over the square root of 25 minus x squared. X. Oh, I said 1. That should be x. And I left off a negative. Man, negative x over the square root of 25 minus x squared. All right, making sure I got all my stuff now. Okay, so that's my v prime. So I should be able to put it all together. Yes. So I'm looking at u, which is x squared, times v prime, negative x, square root of 25 minus x squared, plus v, which was square root 5 minus x squared, times u prime, which is 2x. All right. So now we can simplify this expression. Before I do this 1/2, that's going to be negative x cubed square root of 25 minus x squared plus 2x square root of 25 minus x squared. Now distribute this 1/2. And negative x cubed. Oh, sorry about that. 2 square root of 25 minus x squared. Plus, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel out this 2. You know, this 2 will cancel out this 2. When you do your distribution, so that'll just be x square root of 25 minus x squared. And that should be good enough. Now, there is a way to bring it all together and everything like that, but I don't believe that Weber sign is holding you to that process. But just getting here should be good enough. Try it out and let me know what you think. Just trying to make sure I simplified it as much as possible before I close out the video. Yep, should be good to go. All right, let me know what you think. Take care.